What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor, and today we're making Honey Sriracha Baked Chicken Breasts. I hope y'all enjoy. So we're gonna start off by mixing 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We have 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. We have about 1/4 cup Sriracha sauce, or any hot chili sauce. You can decide which one you use. Follow that with 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Gotta have our garlic. That's 2 tablespoons of garlic. And we have 2 tablespoons of honey. So it's gonna have a nice sweet and spicy kick to it. So we're gonna mix this up till it's well incorporated. We're gonna end up pouring this over the chicken before we bake it, so it's gonna give it tons of flavor, y'all. So we're gonna add about a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil in the pan. Made in, I just got these. These pans are amazing. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just like them. We're gonna season our chicken while the grease is getting hot. Salt, some fresh ground black peppers, some paprika, some thyme, some basil. Just get them seasoned side down. And then we're gonna hit it with some more seasoning on this side. Alright. I got 4 nice sized chicken breasts. And we're not we're not frying it up or anything to cook it all the way through. We're gonna finish it in the oven. So just keep that in mind. We're just trying to get a slight brown on them. So we have our basil and garlic seasoning. We have paprika, the sweet paprika. We have pepper, freshly ground. We're gonna do the same thing to the additional breast. We have 4 in total. Let's give them a flip. And we're just gonna brown these up. And while we're doing that, we'll spray our pan with some olive oil. And when they have a nice brown, we'll just go ahead and take them and lay them right there in the pan. We're gonna go ahead and add the other chicken right in, and do the same process over and over. Nice brown, we'll flip it. And again, we're not cooking this through because it's gonna cook through in the oven. We're just trying to incorporate a little bit of flavor on there. These things are meaty and heavy. Got a nice brown. Now we can get down. Throw them on in there. Now we're gonna just drizzle the sauce right over the top. Sweet, sour, got that garlic in there. It's gonna cook down, man. It's gonna be delicious. Make sure both sides are coated. We'll go ahead and flip it around a little bit. while we doing this, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop me a comment if you like, and hit that bell for notifications so you're notified each and every time we upload. All right. So we're gonna wrap this with foil, and we're gonna go ahead and throw this in the oven. Now we preheated our oven to 375. Grease the pan, put everything in there. We're gonna let this thing cook down for a little bit, about 20 minutes. Now we remove the foil. We're gonna take some of this sauce so we can thicken it up. Now it's cooked for about 20 minutes. Take a nice amount of this sauce and we're gonna make a slurry out of it. Okay, we're gonna add our cornstarch. Spoon in with the juices. Okay. Now you don't need but about a tablespoon of cornstarch. So we're gonna get that mixed in there. Now we let this cook for a while longer, and we added the cornstarch and slurry at the end. We're gonna let this go for like another couple minutes, just so that the sauce can thicken up. So all in all, we cooked this about 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, the internal temperature was 165. We're good to go. Watch how this sauce looks very loose. Watch how it thickens up. I'm gonna throw it back in the oven for a little bit. Now it's time to plate up. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, we let it sit for another 2 minutes. And this is what we have here. Look how thick that sauce is. All that honey and sriracha and all that garlic. Now you can pair this chicken with anything. You can add rice. You can eat it like it is. Make a sandwich. Do a myriad of different things with this chicken here. And we're just gonna get our spoon and ladle on all that sausage. Look, oh my God. Somebody come look at this. Simple and easy meal. Delicious food don't have to be difficult. You ain't gotta be a master chef to make it. Okay? Just do what feels right, man. Discover the flavor in your kitchen, in your own kitchen. Nobody's right, nobody's wrong. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope this was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell for notification, so you're notified each and every time we upload. Hit that thing with some cilantro and you're ready to cook. Alright, family. Thanks for checking out Discover Flavor. Catch y'all next time. Peace.